Magandang gabi sa lahat. It's Sunday evening and tonight we're going to learn more Tagalog phrases. Konti lang. It means just a little bit. Konti lang. And we have Baka, sakali. Baka, sakali. It means just in case, perchance, or maybe. Baka sakali. Bale wala. Bale wala. Of no value, no importance, taken for granted, or of no appreciation. Bale wala. Go to sleep, or matulog ka na. Matulog ka na. Go to sleep. Matulog ka na. Kunwari. Kunwari. To pretend. Pretense. Kunwari. A neighbor is gonna call me tomorrow around 4, and I know she's gonna offer me something because she's into insurance business. I don't wanna talk to her, and just in case she knocks in the door because I didn't pick up the phone, I'll just stay in bed. Kunwari, tulog ako. Let's make a review. We have kunwari, pretense, to make an act, pretend, and we have konti lang, a little bit, baliwala, no appreciation, of no value, taken for granted, baliwala. And we have, if you want to say, go to bed, matulog ka na. Matulog ka na. And I think I'm missing one more. Is it that? Yep. That's all. That's it. And also, to check for examples, just click on the About section down below. Good night.